Banner will change into the Hulk again, sooner or later. And when he does, I'll be ready for him. I'll construct my most powerful puppet ever. He cannot possibly resist it. His rage is hard to control. It's like trying to ride a wild bull. I must regain control of him. Come, my puppet. Come.
Ben, is that you?
No, dear girl. It's I, your beloved stepfather. You have something which belongs to me. The most powerful puppet of them all. I wish you could see it, Alicia. It's a small figure of me. Not as I am now, a hunted man. No, it is I, as the true puppet master, ruler of all the world.
Come, my puppet. Come.
I must protect Alicia while my creatures destroy the thing.
Ben!
I'm gonna rip this place apart!
Careful, Alicia. The subways can be very dangerous.
Don't worry. I'll be fine.
I always worry about you, my dear. Good night. Next time, fantastic fools, the Puppet Master will not fail.
Come, my puppet. Come.
Did you lead them here?
You're going to jail, Mr. Masters.
You may call me Puppet Master.
We hear you're an artist. Well, you'll have plenty of time to work on your next masterpiece in solitary.
Exactly what I'm hoping for.